Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this beautiful Magnolia Lane card. This is a super duper mega quick card. It really is so quick to make. All the work is being done by the beautiful Designer Series paper, and I love the fact that it's on black. The paper, the other side is, there's a lot of petal pink going on, but I like the impact of the black cards. So I've taken my piece of cardstock, cut it in half and scored it in half. Now, this one is 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower, and I would have made this one 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower, except I had the perfect piece that was 1 centimetre. So I've got a bit of a bigger border, but that's okay. You're going to get the same impact. Right, so let me lay that on now. So if you work in metric, like I say, 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower. If you work in imperial, about 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, not too much. My wider panel to go at the bottom, that's 1/2 centimetre shorter, and that one is as well. And the depth of it will depend on the size of your stamp greeting. And the one I want, I forgot to get out, it's called Strong and Beautiful. Here we go. And I love it. I love the phrases in this. And the one I've chosen is, I cherish you, my true friend. I know I can always count on you. Just, oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. There it is. So I'm going to take a clear block, line it up on my grid paper. I'll line that up. I've got my Memento ink. I'll line that up. And then this straight down and up. And then you've got a perfect alignment. Now I'm going to use Good Morning Magnolia, which is the stamp set that is part of the whole suite and the whole big bundle. And I want this flower here. There are dies to go with it. I'm not die cutting though. This is all about a quick card. Quick and get it out. Quick and get it in the mail. So, and I want that down there, so that I've got the flower working. And needs a second or two to dry. Oh, I should have snailed that on before. Because Memento, it does take a few seconds to dry. And I want to do blends work on it. So let me zoom in and put it on autofocus. We know what's going to happen. We know that this is going to have a nightmare. It's going to go, I don't want to be zoomed in. And when I try to zoom it back out again for the final bit, it'll decide it doesn't want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to do the leaves first. So I'm coming in with the Pale Mossy Meadow blends. And so that's the fat end. And then the thin end of the dark. And I'm just following where the leaves are. Where the lines on the leaves. Then blend out again. And then I've got my 2 petal pinks, so I've got a light and a dark. So this is the light one. So colour in your petals. Layer on some dark. Just down at the bottom. Really layer it well. Come over with the light, but don't go all the way to the top. Back in with some more dark. A bit further down at the bottom. Oh, you can see I didn't quite leave it to dry enough. That Memento's trying to bleed. And then bring it up again. Again, not too far. Okay, right. Am I going to be able to zoom out? Oh, I can. Blimey. Oh, better not touch it anymore. That's a first. And then snail on the back of there. A couple of dimensionals, which are not visible. New packages then. Into the middle at the bottom. And I don't think you need any more than that, because that paper is doing all the work for you. Just gorgeous. I love it. I love them. Magnolia Lane. What a beautiful, beautiful suite. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.